Guys, I discovered a new gambit called the Pawn's Gambit, and they named it that, and I'm gonna show it to you now. Your opponent or white needs to move to e4. You move to e5, sacrificing your pawn for some reason. You move your pawn to c6. They take that again. You take it with your pawn on b2, and then all of a sudden they sacrifice their bishop and move it to b5. And of course you need to take that. That's so much points. So there we have it. And then they sacrifice a pawn. Another sacrifice. They take it, but they didn't say the queen. And they say bye to their queen. Their king to f1. And then for the final move, you need to move your queen to d1 for checkmate. Bye guys.